In this video, I will give you Freecash review July 2023 and also tell you about each earning tab, where you can do work and earn money. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Let us start our video. Freecash.com review. Fastest way to earn online without investment. Click on Earn tab where you will find 3 earning ways. 1. Feature offers. Discover how you can be presented with special offers and, upon completion, receive a small payment or reward points. I am clicking on small arrow and more apps are showing. While there are legitimate apps that allow you to earn money or rewards through various activities. 2. Offers partners. Learn about platforms that compensate partners for completing offers, which can later be converted into real USD rewards. 3. Survey partners. Find out how participating in surveys and small answering activities can earn you fantastic rewards. It's essential to be vigilant and use your best judgment before downloading and using any app that claims to make you money. If something seems too good to be true, click on Offers tab where you will find more earning ways. 4. Gaming for rewards. Learn about gaming websites that offer exciting games to play while earning rewards. Here you can see roughly 28 games. By installing and playing you can earn. Sometimes only playing without registering they give you rewards, and sometimes it's compulsory to opening an account then you can earn money. It seems like you're scrolling down a web page where you see many games that claim to allow you to 5. App. In this app, you will do tasks and then earn money. For example, IQ option, it's trading app you can deposit and trade then earn. It's crucial to be careful and understand. There are genuine apps and games that let you earn money. 6. Quiz challenges. Experience the thrill of completing quizzes and earning rewards with the guidance of expert advisors. Sure, if you provide the correct answers to the quiz, you will earn money as a reward. So, make sure to answer all the questions correctly, and you might get some money for your efforts. Just remember, accuracy is the key to earning the reward. Cash out. Use your earned coins on freecash.com to withdraw PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa, Amazon, and much more. Crypto withdrawals start from $0.5, stake withdrawals at $0 to $5. For cash out via PayPal, remember you can cash out with PayPal account from $5 to $200. Please note that PayPal withdrawals have a flat fee of 5% after withdrawing. Claim your PayPal cash out on your profile. Crypto withdrawals take a few minutes to be sent. New users have to earn $2.0 in order to make their first withdrawal. Crypto withdrawals take a few minutes to be sent. New users have to earn $2.0 in order to make their first withdrawal. Crypto withdrawals take a few minutes to be sent. New users have to earn $2.0 in order to make their first withdrawal. Leaderboard. The daily leaderboard will reward $500 per day, and the monthly leaderboard $5,000. A total of $20,000 in rewards for you this month. On this webpage, you can see the top 3 people who have earned the most points. The person with the highest points is in the first position, the one with the second highest points is in the second position, and the person with the third highest points is in the third position. Apart from that, you can find your own rank among all the users currently using the website. For example, if the webpage says you are ranked 5th out of 12,836 users, it means there are 12,836 people using the site. Rewards. Freecash rewards. The rewarding affiliate system in the market is gift your friends a tree case and earn up to 30% commission from what they earn. Daily bonus ladder. Daily bonus ladder. On the right side here you can claim your bonus if you reach level 1 to double or claim your first daily reward. 7. Affiliate. Referral programs. Uncover the power of referral programs and how referring new users to a platform can lead to extra earnings for you. Accept it. You will earn from these ways. 8. Task completion. Explore the world of micro-tasks. From clicks, watching the video, sign up. You can complete for compensation. 9. Download and earn. Discover apps that provide rewards for simply using them for a designated. 10. Deposit and earn. Find out how some websites offer opportunities for users to deposit and earn real cash. Don't miss out on the chance to have fun while making money. Join us in this video to unlock the secrets of online rewards. Thanks for watching.